Jersey number 29 to number 8. 2 points by jersey number 8. Gonzalez dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 14 Gonzalez to Puito. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! By jersey number 14. Jersey number 11, 8 to shoot. Jersey number 12 to number 11, 2 points by jersey number 11. Puito number kako ni jersey number 22. Pass to Algordo. Algordo to jersey number 29. 2 points to jersey number 34. Good. Rebound to jersey number 22. Alberto dribbling the ball. Pass to Blandis to number 0. Oh, the good. Nakakuha ni Puito. Rebound to jersey number 34 Tayubo. Tayubo for 2. To good shot by Tayubo. Gonzalez dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 14 Gonzalez. Wala. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez tinubot sa ilalim. Gonzalez ngayon. Two points by Aguinaldo. Alberto 15 cents shot up. Pass to Chayong. 3 points by jersey number 20. Quick up for 3. The good rebound by Chayong to Algordo. Algordo dribbling the ball. Dubay diskarte. Algordo pass to Aguinaldo. 3 points. Gonzalez. Gonzalez dribbling the ball. Hinaharas ni jersey number 29 Aguinaldo. Pass to Gonzalez din. Gonzalez. 2 points. By jersey number Gonzalez. Dribbling the ball, 15 cents shot up. Gonzalez pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez put them on the middle. Two point shot. By jersey number 29. No good. Iago. Attack. Basket count. By jersey. Complete 3. Dribbling the ball. Gonzalez attack. 2 points. Gonzalez. 2 points by Gonzalez. Buyalos na ako muna pass to Alberto. Alberto pass to Aguinaldo. Ang ganda naman nun. 2 points siya. Gonzalez. Pass to jersey number 22. Offensive rebound by Puito. Nakakuha ka ng foul. Gonzalez, no good. Rebound by Gonzalez na din ang flex pa. Alberto, hinakantay ni Bustamante. Alberto, inangat na. Turbo shot by jersey number 12. Alberto, Bustamante, pass to. Nakapit, hindi makalipat. Pass to Alberto, nasa unahan na. Turbo shot by Alberto. Hinakantay ni Bustamante. Alberto pass to Iago. What a play by jersey number 12. Tayubo. Bumaga. Tayubo na ako ng ball. Shot clock 14. Iago for 2 points by Iago. 14 seconds remaining. Tayubo pass to Puito. Attempt for 3. 5 seconds remaining. Alberto. Pinalaga 2 points. End of the second quarter. Tayubo tulad jump for 2. Nahod na ulit Tayubo. Foul. Barangay Sabah. 2 shots by Kayubong. Make the press by Jesse. Complete by Yago. Pass to Chayong. To Aguinaldo for 3. Malayayan. 3 points. Right. Kuito pass to Gonzales. No good. Rebound by Kayubong. 2 points by Kayubong. Shot na 15. Yago, 2 points by Yago. One play. Chayong, attack on the middle. 2 points by Chayong. Chayong, back to just number 29, Aguinaldo. Aguinaldo, attack for 3. Bang! By just number 29. Chayong to Aguinaldo. Aguinaldo to Yago. No good, kanya pa rin. Yago, pass to Bahay. Bahay. Inangat na. 2 points shot by Bahay. Win the ball. Naguli. Sayang pass to Aguinaldo. Aguinaldo. Easy 2 points by Aguinaldo. Pass to Yago. To Sayang pass to Bahay sa gitna. Nilinis pa. 2 points by Bahay. Gonzales. Black by Bagay. Nahuli Bagay. Yago na sa unahan na. Hinintay pa. 2 points by Yago. Kuito. Dribbling the ball. Kuito na wala bola. Nahuli Yago. Yago. Yago pa. To Aguinaldo. 2 points by Aguinaldo. Dribbling the ball. Shot at 15. Pass to Gonzales. 2 points. Rivals, rebound by Chayong, pass to Yago. Yago, pass to Aguinaldo. 2 points by Aguinaldo. 2 points by Bagay. Chayong, pass to Bagay. Traveling violation. Running time tayo. Chayong. 4-3. Bang! Time to shoot. Pangaliban. 2 points by Pangaliban. Bobis. Pass to Bustamante for 3. Offensive rebound by Kuito. 2 points by Kuito. Bustamante for 3. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Yago. Yago. Easy 2 points by Yago. Alberto. Pass to Yago. 2 points by Yago. Three points by Kuito. Two points, Yago. Three points by Davis. Two points Kyle. Two points. Bustamante.
Wala na akong player doon. Ito, kulang. Ha? Lumalo sa Pasinaya yata.
2 points by Bustamante.
Hindi magagaling.
Algordo. Bobis, pass to Bustamante. To Tayubong, 2 points by Tayubong. Shot clock 14. Two points Algordo. Three points by Gonzalez.
Render mo yun eh.